It's real foggy today. There's you probably can't see it, but right there, about 200 yards out in this field, there's a big sandy hill I'm going to go walk around on, see if I can find something. It's early yet. This fog got to burn off here in an hour or so. Well, that was interesting. I walked all the way up to that high spot in the field and it started pouring, so I ran back to the truck, sat there for about 20 minutes, and it quit raining. I just checked the radar. It's supposed to stop raining for like the next 2 hours. I got a little window here I can hunt. So I walked back out to the high spot and I just come across this. Right here, I can see the two notches. I'm pretty sure it's something. I'm soaked. It's only 40 some degrees today, but I'm wet, so it's not making it very comfortable. Pooter. Pretty rough looking arrowhead. See if I can find something else. Second find of the day. It's been, about 5 minutes. It's like a broken blade. Maybe a preform. I don't know. That brake looks really old. It's all got the same patina on it. It's even got some patina right there inside the brake, so I'd say that's an ancient brake. Got a piece of Attica chert here, and it might just be a flake. I don't know. Let's pull it and see. Freaking muddy. Oh, it's point. Well, broke point. Still counts though, I guess. Definitely broke. Finally, been here almost 2 hours. Got me a whole point. Little smoker. It's PALMER, I'm pretty sure. Serrated. Looks sweet. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm running out of water. Oh, come on. Oh, it's out. I'm out of water, guys. Sorry. It's cleaning up the show. Beautiful point. Hands are getting numb. Well made. Now, I don't know. So the last PALMER I found, people were saying they're related to a pine tree, and it just depends on who you, what resource you use. Some say Kirk, some say pine tree, some of them say both. The other one, the other PALMER, had a pretty straight base. This one here is a little, well, it's a little wonky. I don't know if there's concaved a little bit at one time, probably. Looks like this little bit of ear damage there, or base damage. But to me, this one resembles more of what a pine tree, at least the ones that I've seen. Either way, nice point. Alright, it's starting to rain. I'm getting the hell out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Here's just a little update on my out-of-state point collection I got going. You've seen some of these before. These here I got from Davo Diggs. This one here, I soaked these in oil. It really brought out the colors in this one. It's stayed pretty good. The white wasn't really there when I first got it, but once I soaked them in that coconut oil, the white showed up a lot better, and the yellow's showing pretty good too. See, Davo Diggs, Florida, these four. This Gary point here is from Smooth as a Dolphin's Forehead in Mississippi. These two here are from Africa. They were sent to me from Ontario Rockhound, from a collection he bought. He got those. And today I just received these three from the Arrowhead Reaper. He's in Mississippi also. He says this is a Biogula. I'm probably not saying that right, and not with the right accent either. Come on. Focus. Why won't you focus? There we go. There. Nice little point. And then this is a late archaic barb. I'm not sure if that's the type or just the if they're called a barb point or what's going on with it. I'll have to do some research on it. Pretty nice. I'm pretty sure these are all citronelle. The material is citronelle. It's about the only thing they got down there in Mississippi. That and Tallahassee quartzite they find some stuff out of, and maybe one other material. I mean, here in Indiana we've got, I find stuff made out of 20 different types of material. This is a red Gary dart, is what this note says. Come on. Nice little dart point. And I got a case I made up of all my other stuff. Let me get the phone off the stand here and I'll show you. Here's the case I got made up so far. This is stuff from Arrowhead Homestead in Arkansas, Kevin Klein, Colorado, Big Ben's Outdoor Channel, Texas, and Bucky Blue Eyes in Georgia. This celt right here is huge. It's 4 by like 8.5 inches. Bucky was wanting me to get this point here identified. I assume this is the one he's talking about. He said the caramel colored one. This is quartzite. I think it's a Morrow Mountain, but I'm not from the South. I barely know the point types around here, so real grower or I walk in circles. I like your opinion on this, so Bucky can figure it out. I know this here's a Morrow Mountain. I won this one for Bucky did a 300 subscriber giveaway, best poem or comment. I won that one. I soaked all these in iron out. They were a lot darker. It's a beautiful point there. Got a nice bevel on it. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to try to squeeze these other points in this case, rearrange some stuff, and make it look a little better. Bye.